What's up guys, today we are checking out the smallest equipment trailer in the Diamond C lineup, but don't let small fool you. It's as handy as a pocket on a shirt and tough as nails. We're talking about the DSA. That's a dampened single axle tilt. And it's pretty specific built. Most people that are using this trailer is something like an electrical contractor or general contractor and moving scissor lifts. They're kind of low to the ground. They're hard to load on normal trailers with ramps and things. And oftentimes, they are hauled to the site by themselves, or they're pretty well exclusively, hauled to the site and back to the shop and charged and that kind of thing. And so it works out really well, this little trailer does. It's available this is a 10-foot long by 60 wide version up to a 12-foot long by 77 wide. Not just for scissor lifts, you can haul small skid steer, a dingo, small trencher, things like that. Any smaller, dense piece of equipment, it works really well to be like the exclusive chauffeur for those pieces of equipment. And it comes with standard, the 14-ply tires, just like other Diamond C models. It has a 7,000-pound axle and a 7,000-pound GVWR. So you take the weight of this trailer out of it. This one weighs 1,460 pounds, so it's giving you 5,500 pounds of useful payload capacity. It's got a real nice little tilt angle, so the approach is really gradual. It has the Stillwell dampening system, just like the big HGT tilt trailers have, in that when you drive up on it, it cushions down real nice and easy. It has a hydraulic locking valve, so you can actually lock the bed in the up position if you needed to, and then you can open it right back. It's also a redundant lock, so when it is down and you have the pin locked mechanically down, then you can actually lock the hydraulics as well, just for a little added safety. You can see it's got the Demco Easy Latch coupler. It's adjustable, so depending on what you're going to pull it behind, you can actually move the coupler to where you can keep the ride height level. It's got a swivel jack. It comes with the DM coating system, just like all the rest of the Diamond C product. Got a 14-gauge diamond plate fender here. We'll walk up and give you a little demo of it coming down. And just like that, it's nice and easy. It just acts like a syringe, so it's just pulling the fluid out of the reservoir whenever you extend the cylinder, and then whenever you come down, it's just pushing it right back in. Jump on DiamondC.com. There you can learn more about the DSA and outfit one to do the work that you need to do.